According to the ideal, cleanliness is next to godliness. I'd like you to rewash yourself. I'd like you to rewash your heart. It is a better question that whether you have purity in your heart or not. Then now, I give you time enough to experience what is called self-spiritual purification. As a human being, you live here. In other words, you dwell here, on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating in the solar system, in one of the galaxies in the universe. How do you face your reality you're experiencing? Do you climb Parnassus upon occasion? Do you listen to some words which are meaningful? I'd like you to romantically imagine you are now here on Mount Parnassus. You are listening to some words which reverberate deeply in the inner part of your heart in the presence of Apollo. If you are successful in imagining such experience, you shall produce some meaningful things yourself. You live through using some languages. Talking of languages, how you use necessary words for you to tell the matters of importance. Vicissitudes of life are necessary for you to tell what you wish to tell energetically. On the other hand, when you listen to some words which reverberate in your heart, you can tell, listening to those words in your heart deeply shall be a gift given universally. This is not a place, this is not a matter of where you are now. This is a very matter of the romance of your imagination. Imagination upon imagination, you're guided to be more romantic. Romantically, you're privileged to use a privilege to be intellectual and rational. I'd like you to listen to some words which are meaningful. I'd like you to listen to some words which reverberate deeply in the inner part of your heart. Then you do enjoy having the experience to tread a thorny path intellectually and rationally. The lecture shall be finished now.